Welcome back to the garage. I don't know about you all, but I love getting new gadgets, and we just picked up this Ryobi 40 volt lithium 15-inch cordless string trimmer from the orange box store today, and we're going to be unboxing, going through the components, assembling. I'll charge it up tonight, and we'll be back for a full review tomorrow after a little bit of good old weed whacking. Stay tuned, here comes the good part. Alright, let's tear into this bad boy. Here you can see 14 volt lithium 15-inch cordless string trimmer with gas-like power. That's exciting times right there. Let's check it out. I'm expecting lots of cardboard and plastic. Here we have our charger. Pretty basic. Looks like it has some status indicators, power on, testing, defective. That's not a very good sign. Charging and ready. Standard wall plug, good amount of cord there for reaching our outlets, wall mountable, exciting. Battery. It's a hefty guy. 40 volt lithium battery. Also with the status light indicator. Oh, look at that. Fully charged out of the box. That's exciting. The release mechanism. Alright. Save that bad boy for later. Surprisingly, not a whole lot to assemble here. We've got our main choocher here. Some kind of lockable handle. Not sure what that's for. I'm sure there's a book of detailed instructions that I'll be reading cover to cover later. That, I'm guessing, is to hold the shaft in place. Maybe we should see if it fits. These look important. This is the, toe guard, if you will. Attachment hanger. Oh yeah, so this model has different attachments or heads that you can put on with one of the more intense edgers or some kind of a tiller. You can buy all those different attachments and swap it out. Well, a little bit embarrassed to admit this, but I will admit it. I had to break out the old instruction manual to complete assembly. There's a couple little goofy things on here. The orientation of the shaft with the push button catch is how how you slide it in here. You loosen up this bolt, and there is a push button, and that is what allows the removal and change, if I can get it back out, change of the attachments, right? Push button, insert. I guess it automatically grabs that hex drive. That's what runs the length of the machine. Push the button, and you have to get it oriented, proper right side up and down. Spinny head down, triggers there, handle up. You'll figure it out. Put it together, pop the spring mechanism in, tighten, and that's how you swap out your various attachments. This handle is adjustable for those of us with sensitive ergonomics. You go forward and such. You can also spin it around. Actually, it came the opposite way with the handle down, so I had to rotate it to the top. We'll try that out. As far as the head, let's see if we can get in here. Looks like almost any other string trimmer. You have the push to activate more line feature, so you can just hit it on the ground while it's spinning. Pretty standard string trimmer stuff. The cutting blade for getting rid of excess line. There's a little bit of tape wrapped around this cutting blade. Not sure why. It's not exactly deathly sharp, or sharp at all for that matter. But yeah, pretty standard. You have to attach this guard with the little wing nut right here, but that's pretty basic. Other than that, you get it all together, squeeze both triggers, and it goes. I'm not going to rev it up full speed right now, but the next time you see me, we will be doing a after the fact discussion after I whack some weeds. Seems to have some good torque, good pep. I'm excited for it. Okay, good morning. We're going to see a little bit of this string trimmer in action. The 40 volt lithium Ryobi string trimmer. Here we go. Okay, so I just got done weed whacking the front and backyard and side yard of our little residential lot, and this thing definitely kept up, exceeded my expectations actually. It's got a lot of torque, a lot of power. I guess that's a big battery on there, so I did as I said, front, back, and side yard, and it's got half battery left. Not terrible, not amazing either, but you know, if you have a small residential lot and you're just doing some yard trimmings, this definitely will do the job. I did press down on the line extender, and it worked. I really do like these twisted lines. They seem to hold up a lot better than the old single ones that I had on my old gas powered one. And yeah, really nothing to complain about. It is a little louder than I expected, so I probably still will wear ear protection, but I like it. It's got some power, it's got some torque, it's nicely balanced with this big heavy battery in the back with the spinning head. And yeah, I would recommend it. I think it was about $180 at the Orange Box store. I'll put a link to it in the description of the video. But yeah, pretty impressed. Might get some other attachments for it in the future. Maybe even do the lawnmower route, because Ryobi has a electric powered lawnmower that I believe uses this same battery. It might use two, I'm not sure. But for now, yeah, I've still been using the gas powered lawnmower, but this has definitely replaced my gas powered string trimmer, and I'm happy with it. You know, if you have a large rural lot where you need to do a lot of really thick brush, this probably isn't going to replace a gas powered string trimmer for that kind of need, but for your typical suburban home, this is great. I'm happy. Thanks for watching. If this is interesting to you, give us a like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.